Okay, so Jordan's about to come over and I have a surprise present for her, which is up there because I had to hide it from her when she was over yesterday filming. So it's up in my closet. So I have to try and wrap it because she's on her way now. So I gotta get up there. This is gonna be interesting. Oy. Okay, I got it. It's a drone. I thought it'd be funny to try out, so we can try it today. Yeah, it films, that sort of stuff. Okay, I wrapped the present. Now we're gonna go put the present under the tree. Okay, it's under the tree. Should we put the tree lights on? Yeah, why not? Oh, pretty. Okay, now we just gotta wait for Jordan. Oh, there she is. Okay, she's coming, she's coming, she's coming.
Not me.
Do you want to go show Jordan the present under the Christmas tree?
Why is there a present?
There's a present. Go have a look at it.
It's definitely Christmas.
Well, present's for you. You can open it. Cadell, do you want to help open?
No, he just wants the ribbon. Yeah. There you go.
It's all glittery though. It's gonna be a mess. Smoky?
He doesn't like it. He doesn't like my present to him. A drone?
I thought we could add it to our camera collection.
Oh no, we're gonna kill it.
Should we go test it out?
Yeah.
We made it to the park. There's some people working out over there, but we're just gonna stay over here.
My question is, why is the remote control bigger than the drone?
I have no clue. Okay, I'll put the box here.
You're looking for disaster. Hold on, let me see. Don't press anything!
Oh my god! Everything seems to be on there. What is this called? Oh my Jesus. There, it's a PDF. It's a legit. It's one of those two things. I don't know which one though. The right stick. Move the right stick to move forward or backwards. Move right stick to move left or right.
The next day.
We're back. Next day, we got it. I think we got it sorted. Don't you think? I think we do. So here, let's try it again. Yesterday, don't press any buttons. Hold on.
I turned the thing on.
Jordan! Ow! Ow, it sliced my thumb. Ouch! Jordan! Jordan! I'm not doing anything! My thumb still hurts. Ah! It's trimming the grass!
Is it upside down? It's upside down.
Yeah, I know! But I didn't want to go near. Ow!
Long story short, we got it to fly again, but Samantha nearly crashed it into the tree. Whoa.
Stop!
Don't come at me, bruh.
Should I change the mode to intermediate now? I'm gonna do that. Oh, I'm at pro! Wow!
There it goes. It's gonna like hit someone. Look at that, she's figured it out. Oh, Jesus. Oh. I have no idea where it is. Oh, it's on the floor somewhere.
I'm not pressing anything.
She's scared of the drone. It's funny.
Ow!
Where's the light? Ah, that's so bright. Look!
Hey, up. This way. Okay, that's enough.
I think that's it for today.
That's it for today's video.
Sayonara.
We'll see you tomorrow for another video. Peace. Hey guys,
I hope you liked our video
don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here.
and follow our social medias over here.
See you later. Bye.